Welcome back to Silicophilic. Have you ever spent time creating the perfect table in Microsoft Word only to find that one row gets split between two pages? Or maybe your entire table breaks awkwardly across multiple pages, making your document look unprofessional and difficult to read. I recently ran into this exact problem, and after testing several settings, I found the methods that actually work. In this video, I will show you exactly how to stop table rows from splitting across pages. Let's get started. Disable Allow Row to Break Across Pages. This is the most common reason a table row gets divided between two pages. By default, Microsoft Word allows large rows to split whenever it needs more room. Disabling this option forces Word to keep each row together, making your tables much easier to read. Here is how to do it. Right-click anywhere inside the row that's splitting. Select Table Properties, open the Row tab. Now uncheck Allow Row to Break Across Pages. Click OK. If the row can fit on a single page, Word will now move the entire row instead of splitting it. Check text wrapping for the table. If the first method didn't solve the issue, the table's text wrapping settings could be interfering. Tables that use text wrapping sometimes ignore page break settings and behave unpredictably. Open Table Properties, open the Table tab. Under Text Wrapping, make sure None is selected. If it was set to Around, change it to None. Click OK. This allows Word to treat the table like normal document content, which usually fixes many page layout issues. Keep the entire table together. Sometimes the rows aren't splitting, but the table itself is. Instead of placing half the table on one page and the rest on another, you may want Word to move the table together whenever there is enough space. Select the entire table, go to the Home tab, click the small launcher in the paragraph group, open the Line and Page Breaks tab. Enable Keep with Next, click OK. This tells Word to keep consecutive paragraphs and, in this case, the table rows together whenever possible. If your table fits on one page, Word will usually move it as a single block. Remove unwanted paragraph formatting. Sometimes the issue isn't the table at all. Extra paragraph formatting before or after the table can force Word to push rows onto another page. Turn on formatting marks by clicking the Show or Hide button on the Home tab or press Ctrl+Shift+8. Look for extra paragraph marks before or after the table. Delete any unnecessary empty paragraphs, then check whether the table layout improves. The small cleanup often fixes unexpected page breaks. Reduce oversized row height. Large rows can also force Word to split content across pages. If a row contains multiple blank lines, oversized fonts, or excessive spacing, it may simply be too tall. Select the affected row, go to Table Properties, open the Row tab. If a fixed height has been applied, remove it or reduce it. Also check the text inside the row for unnecessary blank lines or large font sizes. Making the row smaller often allows Word to keep it on a single page. Check page margins. If your document has very narrow margins or limited printable space, Word has less room available for tables. Go to Layout, then Margins. Choose Normal or another standard margin preset. If you are using custom margins, make sure they aren't excessively large. More available page space gives Word greater flexibility when positioning tables. Split very large tables intentionally. Sometimes no setting can keep an extremely large table on one page. If the table is simply taller than a page, Word must split it somewhere. In that situation, it's better to split the table yourself at a logical location. Place the cursor in the row where you want the new table to begin. Go to Table Layout, then Split Table. Now the table is divided into two separate tables at a clean location instead of an awkward, automatic page break. Copy the table into a new document. If only one particular table behaves strangely while others work normally, the table formatting may be corrupted. Select the table and copy it. Create a new blank Word document. Paste the table, then reapply any necessary formatting. This removes hidden formatting for problems that sometimes cause persistent layout issues. That's how I fixed tables and rows splitting across pages in Microsoft Word. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Silicophilic for more Microsoft Office tutorials, Windows tips, and easy tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.